to check out this juice. If you need any form of direction or anything comparing to this juice, I can tell you. Yes, my people. Today we are going to do juicing. Today we're going to meet beetroot, carrot, cucumber, ginger, and lemon. Okay? So we are going to juice today. We're going to do a little juicing today. So I'm about to clean, then I'm going to start juicing. And we're going to enjoy this together. Yeah. I'm start peeling my carrot. So we're making some fresh juice today. Fresh juice. We're gonna peel our carrot, cut it up, and I use my juicer, here's my cup. So, here we go. Number one juice. Have 1 cup of carrot juice. Nice and easy. Pow! So here's the first carrot juice. Fresh carrot juice. Look at that. Fresh carrot juice. Still going. That's the other one. Look at that. Straight from the juicer. Light and a living color. No water. No water. Strictly carrot juice. I just pour it into this bottle. Next, now it's time for my cucumber. I already washed my cucumber, so I'm going to cut it up. Now it's time to juice. I make sure I turn my juicer on. Cucumber juice. Rich cucumber juice. It's great. Look, I have the same portion. Look, the same portion. Look at that. The same portion without measuring. Time for the blending of my ginger. Speed up my machine again. Ginger. In the process, every time you make one juice, you have to clean your juicer, so you got to clean juice separately. Okay? Every time you make sure you don't have to empty the trash. The trash is okay, but you have to clean inside here. You have to clean in here. You have to clean in here and here. So when you put the olive juice, the olive fruit, it come out clean. Alright, so it's easy, fast and easy. And this, make sure you clean it properly. So if you ever want to make your own juice, just remember you can just buy your fruits, whatever fruits you want, anything. You can juice just about anything. You can juice just about anything, naturally. You know, natural juice. Here we go for the beetroot. Start the machine first. Beetroot. That is it. beetroot. Yes, so this is my finished product. It is really, really nice. And it has all my ingredients. It has my ginger, you have my lemon, you have my cucumber, you have my carrot, and also it has my beetroot. Right? So in the evening when you're relaxing, or you can have it any time of day you want. Any time of day. I just got that extractor. I bought it from Amazon, and it is really good. You know, you need no form of sugar, sweetener, there's nothing in it. You know, natural juice. Homemade natural juice. It contains carrot, beetroot, ginger, cucumber, and lemon. Homemade natural juice. I got this juicer from Amazon. If you're interested in the juicer, I'm going to leave a link below so you can get your juicer to start your juice. This is very refreshing. It's very healthy. It don't need no sweetener. It don't need no sugar. Just the natural juice. Text me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about it. Enjoy. Tell a friend to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.